Accessing the Wi-Fi icon in the system tray is convenient, but it can be frustrating when it disappears. But luckily, this is a common issue with various solutions. So first, check if the Wi-Fi icon is disabled in the taskbar, and you can do that by right-clicking on an empty area, then select Taskbar Settings. After that, navigate to select which icons appear on the taskbar, find your network, and then toggle the option to On. Now if the icon is still missing, try enabling the network option under Turn Systems icons on or off. Now another potential fix is to use a System File Checker. This is a free tool on Windows that scans and recovers corrupted or missing system files. But you have to exercise caution and back up your files before using it. So to open System File Checker, press the Windows key and the letter R all together, type CMD, and then press Ctrl, Shift, and Enter all together to open the command prompt as an administrator. Now in the command prompt, type the following, and then wait for the process to be finished. Now sometimes, reinstalling or restarting the network drivers can bring back the Wi-Fi icon. You can do this by accessing Device Manager, right-click on the network adapter, select Disable Device, then enable it again. Once done, try to restart your computer and observe any changes. Now these are the ways on how you can address the issue of a missing Wi-Fi icon in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.